Good morning, YouTube friends and family. As promised, I am now constructing this basket, Father's Day barbecue grilling basket. So we have Dollar Tree flavored briquettes. We have the box. We're going to use a box, but it's going to look different because I have wrapping paper to wrap the box and make it look pretty. Thank you, LBE, for those suggestions. And we have the Dollar Tree mitt and towels and pot holders. We have a fan when you're out there barbecuing. It could get hot. A little, hang it around your neck, blow a little air on you. We got a lighter, citronella sticks for the bugs, bug zapper for the bugs, fruit fly trap for the bugs. Then we have this apron. This was in my stash. Don't remember when I got it, but it was sometime in the 2000s. So we got a bag wrapper. We got the grill trays from the Dollar Tree. And check out my most recent Ollie's haul for these cutting boards, disposable cutting boards. So that is what is going inside as of now. So stay tuned. Okay, so in order to achieve these perfect corners, I measured it out so that I have full coverage of the box. Then I cut the sides down to the box. I even went a little deeper right here and a little deeper right there. But then I fold it in like this, really neatly. Can't do that and hold the phone, but that's what I do. And that's how I wrap the box. Stay tuned for the final result of the wrap. So now it's complete. We don't care about the insides because we will put fluff on the insides. Bottom is done. Outside is done. Looks nice from the outside. So I was trying to create more of a wicker basket color scheme here. So that's why I went with the brown plus. It's all that I had that will even remotely work with this stuff. So it's just going to be a colorful basket to the best of my ability. But also I forgot to tell you about this case. So this case is something I picked up from Haberjacks. That's the most expensive item in the basket at, what, $8? Because I went to 20% off day to get it. So it was $8 and something. And it is a case full of barbecue tools. I will open it in the next clip. Okay, so I got it all in there. You can almost not see these, but you see a glimpse of them. The apron. I got the lighter. The grill light from Pop Shelf. Check out my recent haul. The little grill fan. And it's a festive theme, but it's, you know, manly colors. And this case, you see how it's displayed wide open. And then I want to get it from the front. So you go back and around. And you see all that across the back. So now let's zhuzh it up with a little bit of shred. I have my shred here. And I have a Dollar Tree bag. We'll see if that works, or we'll wrap it some other way. Okay, here's the basket with the shred added in spots and places just to give it a little festivity, I guess. I mean, I like it. I like it. Tell me what you think in the comments. My baskets are cluttered. I'm a cluttered person. My baskets are full and heavy. But I'm doing this for personal, not for business, not trying to make $1. I do them as gifts. So, you know, this may be an idea to someone. They may choose not to fill theirs as much as mine. But, you know, this is what I like. I like full. I like substantial. I like lots of things. I may invest $25 to $30 because it is actually a gift. So, hope you like it. And let me go ahead and get this wrapped up. Stay tuned. Okay, so update. This needed cellophane. That bag will not work. This is a Mama Jamma size basket. So luckily I already had some cellophane. This is a two-man job. You will need assistance to to get this cellophane right. But I am doing the cellophane. So stay tuned for the final review. Okay, YouTube friends and family, I really love this basket. It came out very nice. So I'm way back. I got to stand way back to get that full shot because it is huge and it looks amazing. So it came out very nice. It took a good little bit of cellophane. I end up using the Dollar Tree bow, but this is a fabulous basket. So I hope this encourages or motivates somebody to create something as beautiful as this. I really love it. So to everyone, happy Father's Day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Give me a comment down below. What do you think of this basket? Again, prep and pray and plant a seed. Plant a seed, plant a seed. Have a wonderful day. One more spin. Woo! Fabulous.